Caveman, explain why alarm clock evil. Me, caveman, me hate alarm clock. Alarm clock evil. Long ago, tribe wake with sun. Nice, warm, slow. Maybe rooster scream, but rooster scream soft, like friend. Alarm clocks scream like angry demon goat with spear in throat. Beep, beep, beep. Sound worse than mammoth stepping on toe. Me think alarm clock not tool, but curse. Box sit quiet all night pretending sleep. Then before dawn box explode in scream. Rip soul from dream. Tribe no rest, tribe no smile, tribe go to job. What is job? Job means stare at glowing rock, push button, count number until head hurt. Job not wait for sun. Job worship time god. Alarm clock is high priest of time god. When alarm scream, body say no, still dark. Need dream about mammoth hot tub. Alarm clock say no dream, wake, suffer. So tribe obey, even though eyes red like volcano ash. Worse, sometimes alarm not stop. You smash, alarm say snooze. Snooze mean me scream again soon, even louder. Snooze not gift, snooze cruel trick. Caveman wisdom, if tool make life worse, not tool. Trap, fire good, spear good, alarm clock bad. Smash with rock, bury in mud. Wake with sun, like nature intend. So lesson, trust rooster, not demon box. Sleep until body done, not until beep beep evil god say rise. Caveman choose freedom.